Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Tiffany and I upload a new homemaking video every Sunday. Today I'm going to be making some vanilla extract. I found the cutest little mason jars today. I went looking for 8-ounce mason jars because I was going to make an 8-ounce jar of vanilla extract. I was gonna make 2, but I found these little mason jars and they're so cute. I thought it would be fun to make it in these, and I don't know why it wouldn't work. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't work, but I was thinking it would be fun as a gift for the holidays to do one with bourbon, one with vanilla, and one with spiced rum, since you can use all 3 to make vanilla extract. And I'm also gonna link some more resources that I found for making vanilla extract down below so that you can look into it for yourself and see all the fun things that I've seen while I've been looking. So I am going to get started. I'm gonna talk you through how I'm gonna do this. I really hope it works out. I'm gonna follow all the advice I got in my research, and hopefully at Christmas time I will have some vanilla extract, and maybe you will too. Now you only need 2 ingredients to make vanilla extract. I didn't know that until I started researching, but you just need some 80 proof alcohol and vanilla beans. I ordered these on Amazon. These are Madagascar bourbon vanilla beans. I'm really excited to use them. They're pretty expensive though, but if you break up the amount of vanilla beans you need and all of your supplies, I'm actually gonna go over this in a minute, it ends up being pretty cost effective, and I like that you know exactly what's going into what you're making. Real quick before we make this vanilla extract, I just wanted to give you the cost breakdown in case you are wondering how to do this and whether it is something that can save you money, and I think it is. This $3.18 an ounce that I arrived at is actually a little bit high because I did use more expensive alcohol. And out of this pack of vanilla beans that I bought, I got another bottle of extract. So I actually got 4 more ounces of extract out of the liquor and the vanilla beans. I just had to buy another mason jar. So I didn't get that detailed with my math, but you can use, you know, your imagination and just know that this price is lower actually. And if you order more vanilla beans, you get a better deal on them. And if you use bigger jars, that will also bring the cost down. So I just kind of wanted to give you a look at the math that I did with the supplies that I bought this time. And I'm going to link these vanilla beans below, and then I'll also link some little mason jars down below in case you're trying to find them. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut these vanilla beans probably in thirds so that they fit nicely inside the jar, and then I'm going to slit them open. Well, I might slit it open and then cut them up and put them in the jars, but the point is I'm going to cut these up so they're completely submerged in my rum, vodka, or bourbon, and then I am going to put some wax paper over the top and then screw the lid on. Then I'm going to store it in one of my cabinets and shake it once a week for a few weeks and let it sit for several months. So I'm going to let these sit until about Christmas time. It's August, it's almost August. Well, it's like July 28th today. You'll see this August 2nd. So if you want your vanilla extract for holiday baking, you're gonna wanna do this now. Or if you want them for holiday gifts so that people can do their holiday baking. I am actually gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna put some music on and just show you how to do it. Even though I've never done it before, you're coming along with me as I learn, and you're gonna learn, and we're all gonna learn, and then we're gonna make cookies in December. right, I have all of these beans split open, and I'm going to put 2 in each of these jars. So I'm just gonna cut them up so that they come down a little bit. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm the most excited about making the spiced rum vanilla and the bourbon vanilla. So I'm just gonna make 1 vodka vanilla today, but I think I'm actually gonna order a bunch more stuff to make more of these, because as I look at these and how adorable they are, how fun would that be to get in a little like cookie basket? I think that would be so much fun. So I am going to do 1 with vodka. And I'm just gonna fill it all the way up to all the way up. Now, something else that's really cool that I learned about making vanilla extract is the longer you let it sit, the stronger it gets. And I'm gonna link a video down below of a woman who makes it in Wyoming or Montana. But she sells it at a farmer's market, and she lets it sit for 2 years. And apparently it gets so strong that you only need like half or a quarter of the normal amount of vanilla for each recipe you use, because it gets more potent the longer you let it sit. And as long as it's submerged in the alcohol, it's gonna be fine and preserved and safe. And she was careful when I was doing my research. You want to make sure that you don't let the metal lid be exposed to your extract. So she recommended putting wax paper between the top of the jar and the lid. So that's what I'm going to do here. So I'm just going to cut this into some little pieces, or into 5 kind of squares. And I'm sure if you want it to look nicer, you can trim it. But perfect. I'm just gonna tie it on really tight here. And I am just gonna repeat this step with the rest. But this is all ready to put in the cabinet. Oh my gosh, it's so cute and little. I love how little it is. It's definitely probably smarter to go ahead and make the bigger jars. They'll last longer. But for gifts, I think this is adorable. Oh my goodness, you all. Now I'm gonna store these in a dark place, and I'm gonna shake these about once a week for a while, and then I'll shake them once a month, and hopefully around the holidays they'll be ready to use. Now, I came back from the future to let you know that once you start using your vanilla extract, you're gonna wanna make sure when you start using it, you wanna remove these beans. Once they become exposed, because you don't want these beans exposed above the alcohol, because they'll start to get moldy and you don't want that. So when your vanilla is ready to use, maybe just go ahead and take them out, or you can wait until the alcohol level comes down. But I just wanted to let you know that so that you didn't end up with moldy vanilla. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I'm super excited about this vanilla extract, and I hope this makes you excited to make some too. I can't wait to see how it tastes, and I can't wait to give it away as gifts. Go ahead and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of my homemaking videos, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye!